Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my FabFitFun box in the mail. I got it today. I actually got a lot of boxes in the mail today. I got this box in the mail. I also got my Macy's beauty box. And I got my Walmart beauty box all in one day. All in one day. So you know what? I'm gonna bang them all out. I'm gonna film all three of them today. Don't mind this blouse, it's beautiful, but it keeps falling off of me. So if you see me picking up my top, it's just because it keeps falling down. But I'm gonna be not unboxing all three of them in one video. I'm gonna do them all consecutively. So if you see me in my next two videos and I have the same outfit on, it's just because I filmed three videos all in one day. Alrighty, but I know you guys all came here for my FabFitFun unboxing today, right, from the thumbnail. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Before I get into my unboxing, I just wanted to welcome anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on this channel. I love makeup, I love beauty items, so that's the majority of what you'll see on my channel. But I also do a lot of like hauls too, makeup related. And I've even been doing some crystal unboxings, crystal boxes too on my channel, which everybody has been loving. So thank you guys so much for the support. Alrighty, so this is a FabFitFun box if anyone's new to FabFitFun. I noticed that the box is a little bit, well not a little bit, a lot smaller. I've never seen the box this small. So I don't know if they're changing the size of their boxes or maybe everything that I ordered was just small so they didn't have to send the big box. But I've never seen such a tiny box from FabFitFun. Their boxes are normally huge. But nevertheless, I don't even remember. I never remember what I ordered because I do so many subscription boxes. Like when I get the boxes, it's just like, oh wow, like, you know. But actually, I think I'm gonna go. They have a FabFitFun app where you can check your items and so forth to see like if you forget like what you picked or whatever. So I'm gonna look and see what I picked on here. And the box was $49.99. It's a seasonal box, so you get it winter, spring, summer, fall, and it's normally in tune with the season. So like winter, sometimes they give you cozy slippers and stuff like that. Summer, they give you like a cooling lunch bag for the picnic, beaches, towels, all that. It's in theme with the season. And it's normally like 8 full-size items. What I like about FabFitFun is if you subscribe annually, then you get to customize pretty much almost a majority of your box. I am an annual member, so I get to customize pretty much the majority of my box. You also get to, they have add-ons. You get to do your add-ons before anyone else, the people who do annually. And you also get to customize you get to choose, you get first dibs on customization. So just a couple of fun facts about FabFitFun in case you are new. But nevertheless, we're getting into the box. Alrighty, so I always give a sneak peek. So let's get your sneak peek going. Alrighty, so this is what the box looks like when you open it up. There is a little, it says step into the sun. $15 off your first FabFitFun box, which I don't get because obviously if this is in the box, you already have a FabFitFun box, you're subscribed, so it's saying $15 off your first. But if you got this box, then it obviously wouldn't be a first, so I don't understand that, but that was in there. We got really cute little FabFitFun stickers. Let me see, hold on. These are the stickers. We got a little booklet here, FabFitFun booklet. We got a whole bunch of these squiggly things under here, some paper so nothing ships. A whole lot of paper stuff in here. They always give stuff for like HelloFresh. Like always give stuff for HelloFresh. I got a little envelope in here, and then I see my actual goodies on the bottom. So I guess they gave me the small box because as you can see, I got all small stuff. Alrighty, so we're going to dig into the box and I'll show you guys what I got. Alrighty, so I went on my phone to see the choices that I chose. And it shows you, like, if you forgot what you picked, you can go on and see like your choices on. They have an actual app for FabFitFun, so it tells you that your box is on its way. There's a little link that you can click where your box is. But yes, like it tells you like everything that you chose. So just in case you forget, which I like, I do like this. And I love that this box has like an app that you can go in and check your stuff. A couple of other makeup subscription boxes have apps too, like Look Fantastic, Birchbox, where you can check your stuff as well. Alrighty, so the first thing I got was this cool little contraption here. It says you can like customize and make your own like bracelets. This is by the brand Bubble Bar. And you can like make your own like little bracelets, because I love like, you know, I'm girly girl, so I like bracelets and all that fun stuff. So these are what they look like. Oops. So that's what they look like. And like I love like crystals. Like I have some of my crystal bracelets here, as you guys can see. These are all actual crystals, but in bracelet forms. This one is actually a necklace that I just wrapped around. This one's a necklace too, but these are my crystal bracelets. So I figured maybe these would be cute. Like I can wear them with my crystal bracelets. They come with the actual string that you can do for your bracelets. So let's see, sometimes I tell you the prices of everything. Let's see if there's prices here. Okay, so unfortunately there was no, I just went through the book and there was no prices in here. They have like the stuff, but there's no prices. So, oh well, I'm so sorry I can't give you guys the prices of anything. But let's dig in. This top is getting really annoying. I may have to do an outfit change for the next videos. Let's see if I can get through these videos. Oh no! Okay, so I'm missing something from my box. As you guys can see here, I picked the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. This was not in the box. Okay, so I have to reach out to them. I don't think I could zoom in to show you guys. Let me see if I can get the camera closer to you guys. A lucky thing, see, I never normally check the app. Can you see the Ciate London thing right here? It wasn't in my box. So they maybe gave me something else? No? Nope. Because everything else was my choice. Oh, they gave me this instead. I knew for a fact they gave me something else. Because I don't, you guys, if you guys follow my channel, you know that I hate getting skincare because my skin is sensitive. So they gave me this product, and this was not one of my choices. This was the only thing that they made a mistake with. So I'm super sad about that, but I'll reach out to them and let them know that I definitely didn't pick this item. I'm gonna reach out to them because I'm not even gonna use this. Because my skin, like I said, my skin is sensitive, and I have like literally I told you guys in my other videos, if you follow me, I am redoing a lot of remodeling to my house, and I just redid one of my half bathrooms, and I stashed a lot of my skincare in there because I have so much stuff in my actual main bathroom, and it was just getting very overwhelming. So I'm like, let me put half of my skincare in there, half in here, half in there. You know how to do it. But I'm gonna actually film a video of that, showing you like how I store my extra skincare. And that's why I said I don't want any more skincare, because I have one face and you can only use one at a time. But You'll see what I'm talking about when you watch that video, so stay tuned for that. But they gave me the Rapid Collagen mask. No, I guess this is a serum. So I have to reach out to them and see, like, do I have to keep this or have to send this back? Like, most likely I know Boxy, they let you keep it and then they still send you the right item. But like, I don't have any wrinkles or anything, so I don't think I need anything collagen right now. But so you know, I definitely would have never chose this. But nevertheless, that's what they gave me. So I'm a little bummed about this. All right, so let's see here. So the next thing I chose was a Wolf multi-wear wrap. And if I could find a picture of what it looks like, that's the actual wrap, what it looks like, because I may not be able to show you. Oh, the prices is here on the app. So I can tell you the prices from the app. I never realized the prices were on here. It says Virginia Wolf multi-wear wrap. Retail price is $60. Oh, there's pictures right here. There's pictures too of a girl like wearing it. I have to see when I edit this if it shows nicely. If not, then I'll have to screenshot the pictures and put them in the video. But that's the girl wearing the wrap. So I thought this would be cute for summertime. Since, you know, lately I've been very like hippie bohemian style look. It comes like so, like that. Like, I'm very girly girl, but I have a lot of hippie in me as well. I can't, you would have to know me to understand my many styles. So this is the wrap. Oh, is it just one whole? Oh, it's just one whole wrap, and I guess you just style it. This thing is huge. I can't get it all in frame, but it's just like, it looks like a scarf. It's one whole wrap. Peekaboo, can you see me? So it's just one whole wrap. So that's that. And it says it retail for $60. That's a tad much for a wrap. But that's the price they said it was. Let me see how much that's. Oh, I can't even tell you how much this was because that's not here. That was a mistake. But let's see how much was those beads things. It says that it retail price is $38 for that. Alrighty, so the next thing I chose was Minted Black of the Berry. I think it was a liquid lip. Let me see. Oh, I don't like this color. But I'll keep it and try it. So yes, I just wanted like this. Honestly and truly, the choices that they had for Summer Box was a no-go for me. I didn't really, this was one of the boxes where I was just like, normally I like a lot of the things in there. The only thing I was excited for was that Ciate London spray, and I didn't even get it. This was, I was a little okay because I like cool little things like that, but it wasn't like something I was in life or death wanted. All right, let's keep going. I got an Ico double act shadow stick with sharpener. I want to say I have this already. Hold on a second. All right, so I ran to my beauty room. I am back. So I actually do have this already, but I just want to see if it's the same. Oh, it's a different color. I do have this already, but this is like a dark brown. It says Dusk and Dawn in the sharpener. This one is a totally different color. This is Cookies and Cream. I'm not gonna open this because I don't even know if I like this yet. So I have like bins of stuff. These are all stuff that I got from like all my makeup boxes and stuff. I have tons of bins. These are all stuff I've never tried yet. This is just all stuff from my palettes, all stuff that I have not even tried yet. So yeah, eventually I'll get to them, but I haven't tried. Look at this, just tons and tons of stuff, makeup that I have not tried yet. Eventually I will try everything out when I get a chance, but we're in a pandemic, so like, where am I really dressing up to use all my stuff? Normally, you know, I could be more active. I'm normally a more social person, but like, I'm not really going out like that anymore. So that's why all this makeup, I'm not really getting a chance to try it. So I'm not gonna open this yet, just because if I don't like those, then I'm gonna just give this away. All right, so the next thing I got was this Barefoot. Oh, oh, it came in a bundle, that's why. I would have never known it came in a bundle because they have everything here separately. But this and this came together as a bundle. Let me come closer so you guys can see. Hold on. It came as a bundle. So the bundle retails for $55. So this came with it. It's like a foot thing. I actually want to do like a foot spa thing to myself. So I bought like a whole bunch of foot treatment stuff from Ulta. And not my last Ulta haul, the one before that. So I have no idea. Oh, I was gonna say I have no idea how to use this, but you could feel it. Like it must shave down like your feet or whatever, make it nice and smooth. So this will come in handy. All right, so that's that. The next thing I got was these are reusable makeup swabs, which is interesting. I gotta see what this looks like because I don't know. Normally, if you use swabs in your ears, I wouldn't say to reuse it. So how would you reuse this? We're gonna find out together. So this is what the contraption looks like. And how do we open her up? How does this open? Oh, okay. It's a swivel. It looks like so. These are the Q-tips inside. Can you feel it? Oh, they feel like rubbery. So, but how would you reuse? You have to clean the 2 swabs and carrying case swabs made with silicone. Interesting. Okay, so I'm guessing because the tips are silicone, it's just easier to reuse it because I guess you can wash it off if it's just silicone. So that's interesting. I have to try that out and see how I like it. But I got that in a little case, carrying case. That could come in handy. All right, and then the last thing I chose was this. It's a Sonic Bluetooth speaker, and it was pink. This is what the box looks like. Let's see here. Not that I wanted this because I already have one of these already, but out of the other choices, I was like, I guess I'll get this. And let's see how much this costs. It says it retails for $45. So that's what it looks like, and it has a little thing that you could charge it with. This is cute. I'm here for it. I would use it, but it's like everybody has like a smartphone, so you can play music from the phone. So I don't think I would really get used for this unless I'm like at the beach, maybe at the beach or something, and put the music on here. I don't know, but it's cool. Alrighty, whoops. So that really was everything I got. Out of 10, I would get this box maybe, looking at everything, I don't know. There was nothing that besides this, and I wanted this spray. I would give it maybe like a 4 out of 10, 5 if I'm being nice, but I wasn't too thrilled with this box. So that's a little disappointing, but it's okay. That's what makeup subscription boxes are for. Beauty subscription boxes are for. You're not gonna always like them. You'll like some, you won't like the others. So yeah, it's alright. I'll make use of everything. Like I have no choice, and stuff that I don't use, I could always give away. So really that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Yeah, and that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. To show your support, you can like my video. It really helps the channel. Thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.